Hello guys, I'm Andrew Sadala, and this time today I'll be teaching you how to insert data, or rather I'll be teaching you how to use Microsoft Excel in simple steps. As you can see here, I've been conducting my tutorials in the series of questions. Now here there is one of the question which is based on Microsoft Excel, and now the issue here was to do as the following questions asked. Now here I'll have to insert the data as they are first before start following the instructions of the questions. Now here with this, you see here, this one is called a cell. Now in Microsoft Excel, each box is called a cell, and the whole page is called a sheet. And so the collection of the of many pages is what the so-called spreadsheets. So here, as you can see, each cell is named accordingly, starting with the row name of the name of column coming to the name of row. For instance, this cell here is called cell A1, which means column A, row number 1. This here B1, this one here B2, that means column B, row number 2. So this is how we name the cells in Excel. Now let's go back to our question and see how and what we can do with it. So this was our question. Now we'll have to insert the data as they are before start looking through the questions. So here, row number A, first we will need to extend them. You see this one here, this is A. We will need to extend them accordingly so that we can perform well our question. Sorry, here it seems to bring some interactions, but we can extend our cells like this. See, we can extend them accordingly. We can extend them like that. Let's start with that one first. There's few, then we'll increase them according to our need. So here, okay, here we'll have to sort them accordingly like this. Alright guys, so here as you can see, first we'll have to insert this roll number. Then we come to name, and then we come to max 1, 2, 3. So this here will be max 1. Okay, max 1. This one here will be max 2. This one here will be max 3. And we have total. And we have average. And the last here, we have the so-called, let's see here if we can extend percentage like that. Lastly, we have the so-called percentage. So here maybe we can decrease the size like that. Max 1, max 2, max 3, average, and last we have the so-called percentage like that. This maybe we can extend it a little bit like that. So here, as you can see, these words here, the alignment is facing upward and they are all centered. So first we will begin by centering them like that. Centering them like that. Sorry. Begin by centering them like that. All words should be at the center. Guys, this is very important. You need to go with you step by step and slowly. And then after that, we will need to increase the size of these rows, at least to make them up to right here like that. Then we will come to alignment, and now with the alignment we will change them to positive 90 degrees like that. Okay, on clicking OK, you see the percentage has turned. Now the same applies. You come to alignment here, press there, then enter. Total, you'll have to come to alignment, then you click here, then enter. Max, the same applies. Alignment, you click right here, then enter. You see guys, this is very easy. What you need to do is to go with me step by step, and at the end you will master Excel, or rather the Microsoft Excel, and you can do your best in your exams, maybe in your studies, or rather in your works. So wherever you are, if you have these skills, these minor skills, you see, you will have the chance of performing wonders. As you can see guys, it's really easy. So now maybe you can bold them, as you can see there, like that. Max, you click to this B. This B guys indicate bolding. Or you can try the shortcut with Control B to bold, like that. Then you are through guys. Now as you can see, the font used is Times New Roman with these words here. So here you'll have to come to font and look for Times New Roman. So these are alphabetically arranged, so you'll have to come to look for Times New Roman. CPRS, then T, Times New Roman, that one. See, so you'll come to average as well, then you'll have to come to Times New Roman, like that. So guys, maybe we can, okay, no, maybe you can go to look after it one after the other. Sorry, Times New Roman, this one here, name, I'll have to change it to Times New Roman. So simply guys, I need to go with you step by step to make sure that you understand each step. I could increase the playback speed of this video, but as a matter of fact, that I need you guys to be expert in these things. So you see, if you do it slowly, you can understand each step I'm going through. So that's the meaning that I'm going slowly with this video, to see that, to make sure that you guys understand these things. So as we're about to finish, I need you guys to send me your comments down there. Tell me what you really needed to learn, or rather what you really need to be improved. Send me the different questions. send me questions in my email. At sadaraandrew@gmail.com, and my email is also attached down there. If you click the arrow which points downward, you can see my email there on the description side. See, my email is there. Send me the questions if you are interested. Send me the questions, or rather your comments, you can drop them down there. Okay, we are through with the first part of rotating each title of each column as shown. See, we have also rotated them. Now we will need to insert these data. Now align center each data you feed inside. See, each data needs to be aligned at the center. So here first we'll have to change the handwriting. See that Times New Roman, like that. So here this is 101. Okay, then we have 102, then 103, then 104, then 105, like that, guys. So you see, these data here needs to be aligned at the center, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. You can align them to the center. See, center your content, like that. Then we come to the name side. Here at the name side we have Rama. Okay, so this name here has to be start with capital letter, Rama. Then we come to Mohani. Then we come to Sunny. Then we come to Destud. Then we come to Tony, like that. Now they need to be aligned at the center, so the same applies. Select the first cell, you center the content. Center the content. As you can see, it's really easy, guys. So you need just to be precise. Okay, now we come to the marks side. Here maybe you can click this way here, that all contents can be aligned at the center. So here we have 51, then we come to 89, 75, 77, 70. Okay, 45, 22, 67, 56, 72, then 38, 76, 87, 50, then 84. Now because our question was to align each one at the center, so we'll have to go again step by step to make sure they are at the center, like that. You guys are doing it better, and I can see that some people are now improving. I've already started receiving the comments on the previous video, which was about Microsoft Office Word. See, a lot of people commented there in my social networks, so I'm really proud of you guys. If you really understand and you send me your comments, that is great to me. I'm really proud of you guys. So don't forget to share to your friends, subscribe, turn on the notification that you will be getting the tutorial video each week. Every single week, after every 7 days, I do upload the tutorial video. So guys, you are all welcome. Okay, we are through with the first part. Now there is last part here. As you can see here, this cell is totally 1. So here we'll have to select this cell here up to percentage side like that, and here you'll come to this way here, then you'll have to merge cells like that. See, then here we'll have to align the text to the left side and right. Here we'll have also to bold them and write minimum percentage. Sorry, this is minimum percentage. See, this is percentage. I see here, guys, there is typing error. Then I'll have to come and change its font. Its font should be Times New Roman like that. Maybe I can bold it and change its font to Times New Roman. Like that. Then the third question was to calculate total marks of each student using formula. So at this side of total here, guys, these formulas in Excel, let me increase the size of the window. These formulas in Excel, guys, you can simply get them either by coming at this side here, auto sum here at equation like that. If you click enter, the auto sum will come. So if someone come and click here, he will simply see the formula. Now, how to calculate the total marks using formula? First, you'll have to do like this here. First, you'll have to start with equal sign, then you'll have to write sum, and then opening the bracket, then you'll have to indicate sum from where up to where. So here I will have to do from C3, you see, then you put this, you put comma, up to E. Now if you want to add more cell, for instance here, if you have to write D3, you see it will also include D3, and if you want to add some more, you'll have to put E3 like that, then you close the bracket like that. So this sorry guys, so this is the simple way of calculating sum using formula. If you press enter, it will bring you the sum. Now if you click this way here, for instance here like this, you will see the formula you used to calculate sum. But now guys, you see this sometimes the entire sum, so you can simply come this way here and you come to the formula, then you click auto sum. See, now here there is a shortcut of writing this auto sum. For instance, this one here, then simply you can extend up to here, this way here, then enter. So here, in the other way, you can type equal sign, then you type sum, you open bracket like that, then this is C5, so you simply type C5 and you put these colons like that up to E5, so it will include all. Then when you close the bracket and press enter, you'll have the total sum like that. Guys, it's really simple. So here again, you'll come to auto sum. So there are so many ways of calculating sum like that. Then you drag, then on dragging enter, you have auto sum. So guys, you are through with the third question of calculating. So the formula here with the percentage will be a bit different. Now to begin with, I will have to know the marks, the given marks are in which format. Now if you can see here, these marks, suppose they are out of 100, that means 51 out of 100, 72 out of 100, 38 out of 100. Now to go about here, I will have to start with equal sign. Okay, then I will come to the total marks. The total marks here is 61. That means it is in cell number F3. So I'll click this F3. Okay, so this I will have to divide by the total amount of percentage. So here 51 is out of 100, 72 out of 100, 38 out of 100. So 100 plus 100 plus 100, that will be 300. That means it will be F3 over 300. Then I'll have to close the brackets in case just of inconvenience. I have to close these brackets. Now the answer here which I'll get, I'll have to multiply it with total percentage, which is 100. Then on clicking enter, I'll get the total percent. That will be 53.66666. Now if you want to put it in percentage form, maybe if you click this way here, it will change. Now this way, you see it has multiplied the total number with 100 again. Now you can simply go to Ctrl Z to undo, then you'll get your previous percentage. So this is the percentage of Rama in this case. Now to go about with the rest of the numbers, so simply you'll drag this way. Okay, then it's clear you are through with the percentage. Though the numbers are in decimal way, so simply here you can edit depending on the need, but provided it is in form of percentage, percentages can be in decimals or in fractions. And you have seen when putting them in fractions, you see it will multiply again with 100. Now to go about with that one, maybe you can try here. Okay, so you'll change this one here into percentage, then you'll go to the total marks. Okay, start with the equal sign always, open the bracket, then you go to your F3. Okay, that way, then divide by 300 the total percentages. Okay, that way, then multiply by 100. Okay, then enter. You see the percentage is 53.67, which was almost this one approximated, but since here we put in the percentage form, if you click Ctrl Z to undo it and you do it in the other way around, it can be this way, minus F3, okay, divide by 300. Okay, I hope that is clear. Then provided here there is percentage format, on clicking enter it will bring you directly to the percentage answer. So here this is another form of expressing this percentage. So you have two ways, guys. You see the answers are exactly the same, but here the difference is that these are expressed in fractions, these are expressed in decimals. So guys, you are through with the percentage in that question number D of calculating percentage of each student using formula. So you are through with that one. Now let's move to question number E of finding minimum percentage using function. Okay, now that question, okay, so here to find minimum percentage using function, it's simple, guys. Remember that these are the percentages in terms of decimal, in terms of fraction, and this is our percentages in terms of decimals. So now the minimum percentage is here. Okay, and our symbol of magic in Excel is always equal sign. Then you start with minimum. So minimum, simply you'll have to write min. Okay, then you open the bracket. Now the minimum of what? That means it will be from H number 3. Okay, let me put it in capital case, H number 3. Okay, then double colons in that way up to H number 7, that way, H number 7. Okay, let me put it in capital case, H number 7, in that way, closing the brackets, then enter. Okay, so this is our minimum percentage, and if at all you can see, even by normal eyes, this is 66, 49, 76, 73, 53. So 49 is our minimum percentage, and this is our function. So we are through with the minimum percentages using. Okay guys, I'm sorry for the interruption here and there with the external sounds, but there is no problem that much. I hope you can hear me clearly, and I hope you can hear me clearly right now. There were some inconvenience with the external sound. I'm sorry that, but I hope everything is okay. Okay, so we are on the case of finding the minimum percentage, and I hope you have understood. This is the formula. Guys, in these questions, you should make sure that you use the formula. If you use your own ways and the invigilator come and check, or rather cross check your work, he will simply see the formula here. This is the formula bar. So guys, make sure that you know the formulas in Excel, and think that after this video I will prepare another video with all the formulas, or rather the general formulas which are used in Excel. So I hope you love the package for the all formulas used in Excel, which might help you in the future, or rather anywhere. So guys, don't worry guys, I'm working also on preparing the package for the formulas about this case. Okay, so everything I hope is clear. Now almost at the end, this was the minimum percentage. Okay, now we'll have to create a 3D pie chart using worksheet. Okay guys, this is our worksheet here. Okay, a single one is a sheet. Okay, now this sheet is the place where I perform all my works. Now let me try to maximize this window. Now guys, you see all these datas here. Okay, all these datas here. If I want to create a 3D pie chart to represent the data, it depends on the context. So here the question is too general. You see, the question is too general. 3D pie chart using worksheet. Now the 3D pie chart of what? Of the percentage? Of the total marks? Of all the students? It is not indicated, or rather stated clearly. But simply, we can create a 3D pie chart. It depends on the question asked. So sometimes you have to be careful in the question. So here, we will have to check where can we get the 3D pie chart. Now here you have insert, then simply you can come to chart. Okay, this is our 3D pie chart. And if you click that way, there will be number of selections. Okay, have you seen guys here? There are about 8 things here, and most of them can be presented in 3D pie chart. Okay, so the question is too general. You can create a 3D pie chart of the whole. Okay, maybe you can click this one. Okay, plot area is this way, this one here. But now what I was telling you is that the question is too general to the extent that it is not indicated clearly, or rather stated clearly. Okay, this is my worksheet for the issue of 3D pie chart. So all my works can be done right here. Okay, but now ever since the question is too general, sometimes it can confuse you where to put a 3D pie chart. Okay, because it is too general guys. It is too general. This question is too general. Okay, so this is our area. Then maybe we can move back. Sorry. Okay, we can maybe move back this one here, maximize it to this extent, and then we can change the colors. But now here I think guys, maybe you can do this something like this. Okay, you see, this is our 3D pie chart guys. Okay, so it depends, but now still the issue is too general, so it is difficult for you to understand which is which. You see, for instance, this one here, series number 101, point number 5, value is 161, percentage, I mean that means this 43%, that means it has taken 43% of this pi. Okay, if you move this way here, value is 53. Now you see the problem, guys. Point number 7, 14%. This is the problem with these general questions, but maybe we can try to minimize this issue here to this way, and this one maybe we can try to minimize up to only the marks. We want to deal with the marks of the student, guys. If you want to deal with the marks of the students, this okay, so sorry, there is a point issue of total here. Maybe I want just the marks. Okay, you see the problem, guys. This question is too general, so it is not indicated which and what. That's the problem with the general questions. But still, maybe you can select, let me backspace this one. Okay, so in case you are asked to create a 3D pie chart, you need to have the specific data. So simply you can come here to your chart, 3D charts, like that. Then this is your chart area. Okay, you can move it in either way to avoid this inconvenience with the other datas. Okay, like that. Then you can select your area. Maybe you want to create the pie chart of these percentages. Okay, if you hit Control key and you click this one here, and that one, and this one, and that one, okay, you have the total marks. Then when you come to insert and you come to the issue of chart, 3D pie chart, simply your chart is of that format. Okay, as you can see here, this is 76%, this is 54%. So this chart, maybe if at all the question is asked in that manner, you can go about in that way. Okay, so here you can change the colors, or rather the background of your chart, the way it looks like that. Okay, so if you click this one here, the value is 66%, this one here, and it has taken 21% of the whole pie chart. That's the meaning, guys. So I hope everything is clear now. Ever since our question was too general, so we could not indicate or rather state clearly which is which. So here, guys, there are a lot of things you can do. You can change wherever you want or rather you like. So I hope it is clear, guys, and I hope that you see this one has got the numbers, indicates clearly that this number 4, this one here, 50%, is it? Yes, it is 50%. It has taken 16 or rather 15% of the whole pie chart. So they should not confuse you, the things, guys. So you are through with your question. Now I hope that you can simply go about with this video, and if you have not understood, guys, don't forget to ask me your question. Send me your comment in my social networks, and we have Telegram groups, guys, so there we can chat and share the ideas as well. So simply in Telegram, you simply write Sadala168, just like the name of our channel. Then the groups will come here, there. And remember, the icon of our channel, it is a green cycle-like structure, which is written Sadala's Mechanics. So in Telegram there, we do post, we do chat. So there we can share also a lot of things. Don't forget to share to your friends, guys. So I hope everything is clear. In case of anything, drop your comment down there. Tell me what you really need to learn. Sometimes accessing Telegram or other social networks might be difficult, but I do really value your comment. So drop your comment, and I hope I will work with it in the precise manner. Thank you, guys.